say fear is not just a feeling, it's a shadow that slowly eats from you inside. If you listen till the end, you will understand why fear is more danger than the death. This story comes from old Himalaya legend. A snow fox named Cairo and a black raven named Rokan lived in a deadly valley. One night, both went hunting, returning yet drawn to an ancient tree. Their are meanwhile froze in the terror just by seeing the snake star. The one who was dying left no fear, and the one who was dying drawn in fear. Suddenly, a crack echoed. The snow above them began to slide. They all fell into the snow. The hare escaped, but the dying snake still crawled forward. Even in pain, the snake refused to give up. And the hare, he was not running to live. He was running because fear controlled him. When lived the battle life, the snake fought or the hare was feared. Our lives are no difference. We fear failure before we even try. Fear destroys dreams long before reality does. So ask yourself, will you live like the hare, safe but scared? Or will you live like the serpent, injured, bleeding, yet refusing to stop? Remember, death comes once, fear kills you every day. Defeat fear and you become unstoppable one day.